Dear Shivam, today we are going to make a debate on the topic of formal education and informal education. The two students are standing before the board and they will try to make their concept about formal and informal education. Firstly, Ayush, you can start your talking. Okay, now speak. Okay, Ayush, speak now.
I am talking about formal education, particularly in school education. I think school education is the primary education of a children. He goes to school and then he will go to coaching.
Okay, now you can speak. Don't see in the camera. No. Okay, now speak now.
I think informal education is also better because they also give education in students and they also get learning and more things. So students get a higher marks and
Yes, she is right in it.
and
Only because of informal education a student can highest marks in the particular subject. She is absolutely right in this.
So you are saying that schools are not provide education of the students and they only pass the time of
Yes,
students.
Ayush is absolutely right. He is saying everything right. Yes, what do you want to say about this?
School not provide education, but many students are not go school. So they go coaching classes and get highest marks.
Okay, you can know the reason from him that why students not go to school.
Because school time is very high, so students think it is boring and we go coaching classes and they get a higher marks.
Okay, yeah.
Uh,
आयुष भाई मैं एक मिनट के लिए आपको टोकना चाहता हूँ. ये बात तो सही है कि ना 5-6-7 घंटे का टाइम बहुत लॉन्ग हो जाता है. आप इनको समझा दो कि अब क्या करना चाहिए.
Okay, I am agree with you, but in school education we are we do the other activities other than the studies, and we are learning many things other than studies. Like we are grade students and we are talking to a group. And skill is developed because of going to school, that how to talk in a group and how to talk the elders and and as well as juniors and our colleagues.
Okay, yeah, this is the perfect answer of this. Okay, what do you want to say for this? Speak now. Basically, he is right in everything. These kind of things can be taught only in schools. I don't think so that your coaching teacher will teach you this. No, आपका coaching teacher ये आपको कभी नहीं सिखा सकता. You know what is his main motive? उसका main motive आपको सिर्फ particular subject पढ़ाना ही है. Only. He has no mean your discipline. Sometimes I say to my student in the class that मुझे कौन सा तुमसे रिश्ता रखना है भाई. आओ तो आओ, नहीं आओ तो नहीं आओ. ऐसा भी बोल जाते हैं अपन कभी कभी. वो मस्ती कर रहा है, करने दो. 1 घंटे ही तो करेगा, बाकी 23 घंटे तो उसके पापा मम्मी संभाल रहा है उसको. ये बोल देता हूँ मैं तो, ठीक है. तो मतलब उस टीचर की कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ही नहीं है. ये इट इज ट्रू. बट इन स्कूल नो. आप 2 छोटी नहीं करके जाएंगे ना तो भी आपको डांटेंगे, बेटा ये तो गलत है आप. ओके, नाउ यू कैन स्पीक समथिंग.
Yes, I agree with you, but you are wait for some time because they are only earning.
ओके, हाँ, ये आप बिल्कुल बोले.
They
ठीक है.
say you come in dress and they not say you have a book.
Yeah, they not ask about the book, they not ask about the syllabus, they not talk about the teacher, they not talk about the students, they talk about did you buy book.
And informal education teacher not ask you come dress and whatever. It is only attention in education.
Okay. हाँ, ठीक है.
So you are saying that institute are not paid to students and they are only give education to the student without earning money.
No, I cannot say, but they don't waste time in anything. It takes this only happen time in any most important thing.
Okay. You can ask the question instead of this.
So I told that the other activities, it is also the part of the education. We have to do the other things rather than studies. So schools are provided everything that we have to do.
अच्छा, आप ऐसा बोला, मैंने तो कई सारे ऐसे स्कूल भी देखे हैं यहाँ पर वो बात तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों की करते हैं लेकिन वो पढ़ाते ही हैं सिर्फ, बाकी कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं होती, कोई एनुअल फंक्शन नहीं होता, वो पैसे खर्च करना ही नहीं चाहते से।
I have to see many schools, so they talk in many things like computer classes and extra classes, and they charge this thing, but they cannot provide this.
या इट इज ट्रू आयुष, ऐसा है। आप छोटे छोटे स्कूलों को उठाओगे ना, वो सिर्फ यही कराते हैं, दिखते तो सब चीजें, फीस कार्ड में सब लिखा रहता है, बट नो क्लासेस। आप उनके पंपलेट देखोगे ना, इतनी सारी क्वालिटी लिख देते हैं कि भाई हम ही हैरान है कि ये क्या हो रहा है। ओके, ठीक है, नाउ यू कैन से समथिंग फॉर दिस। आयुष स्पीक, आयुष स्पीक।
So they provide inwardly the other activities that I told. We learn a way how to speak,
Okay.
how to read. So they provide inwardly without showing.
या ठीक है, ये चीजें तो होती हैं,
Without showing these activities.
या ये चीजें वो खुद ही प्रोवाइड कराते हैं लेकिन इस चीज के बारे में बताते नहीं। ओके, परफेक्टली।